Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee, or at least I hope it still will be morning by the time this uploads. I have coffee, lots of it this morning. Still having to use my instant thing. Not quite as good, but it is still coffee. So I hope you all had a great weekend. As you know, most of my weekend was spent digging through stuff and putting up destashes. And I do apologize for putting up all the destashes, and I still will have a couple more this week. And then I'll be done for, at least a week. I have to go through more stuff. I am whittling it all down. Some of it, I have a lot of Christmas stuff, but some of it is going to be, I don't know about shipping it. It's going to be quite expensive, so I may just list it on a local site here. But if you're interested in Christmas stuff, ask me what I have, and I'll tell you about Wednesday. It'll take me Wednesday to get through all of it. So, what is going on this week? Well, like I said, I do have a couple of destashes. I think they may go out today, or it may be tomorrow. But then tomorrow, I also have a very small Dollar Tree haul. When I was helping my niece one day last week go to the vet with her animal, I know I mentioned that she has a nonprofit rescue, reptile and wildlife, I can't even, rescue thing. Anyway, we came across a new Dollar Tree that I'd never been to, of course, and we had to stop. And so we picked up a few things, and I'm excited to share with those. I haven't seen anybody else haul a couple of these things. They may have, but I've not seen it. So I'm excited about tomorrow for that. And it is just a small haul. Until my house gets until I get this craft room set up and I get things the way I want it and I recover from the flood, I'm not going to be hauling a whole lot of stuff from Dollar Tree because I don't have anywhere to put it. And speaking of Dollar Tree, my sponsorship from my managers may come to an end because I've always been open with y'all about that, but so many people have been going to their managers at Dollar Tree now saying, can you sponsor me like this person gets sponsored, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I guess corporation has heard about it, and they're debating on whether they are going to allow the managers to do that. So I may lose that sponsorship. So, and if I do, it will be way far and few between Dollar Tree hauls. But whatever, you know, we'll get through this. Wednesday, I have a video for my club members. I have 3 club members, but they're all new crafters pretty much. And so my club video will be out on Wednesday. And then my club cards and ATCs will be mailed off on Friday. So, and then Thursday, I will have a card design Thursday for you this week, I promise. And then Thursday night, we are going to be doing a mixed media fabric canvas. Thank you. I can't even get it out of my mouth. Anyway, this was part of a challenge by Ina. I can't remember her last name right now. Anyway, I'll link it below in the description box. To do a canvas or some kind of project with fabric bits and pieces and not just paper. So no paper will be used on this whatsoever. You can use bits and pieces like, you know, medals and buttons and different things like that. Just no paper. So I'm excited to attempt that. That will be on Thursday night live. And then Friday, I'm not sure if I'm going to have a Keto Living. It might be up on my other channel. Last week I didn't post anything on the other channel, and oopsie for me on that one. But I do have new recipes over there. If you haven't checked those out, please go over there and check that out. That channel will be linked below in the description box as well. So, I don't have too much going on this week. Of course, I will have my daily devotions every day of the week. Sometime in the morning. You know, I just can't even promise you when. Some of you know I've been having problems sleeping. Like, I didn't get into bed till 4 something this morning. and that's why I'm running late, because I slept finally. So don't hold me to a time, because I can't tell you. I'm not going to promise something that I can't keep. But the videos I told you I will have this week, they will be up. I just don't know what time. But anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for all of you who have supported me and continue to do so. I do have a few destashes left that I put up. I have sold some, and thank you to all those who have purchased those destashes. Mail will be going out in about an hour. So those who have purchased, they'll be going out today. And those who will purchase, today up until, those will be going out either on Wednesday or Friday, depending on when they're sold. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for all your support. Go check out the ones, if you've not checked them out, that I have left. I have marked on the ones that are sold. And so, if you look in the description box, you'll see which ones have been sold. Alright, thank you so much for joining me today on Monday Morning Coffee, or midday, or whenever it is that this video gets uploaded. And it's about time for me to refill the coffee situation here. Alright guys, thank you. Have a great week. I'm going to try to be having a great week here. And I'll see you tomorrow for our daily devotion and for a Dollar Tree haul. See you soon. Bye.